YouTeam Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into YouTeam, a platform designed to connect businesses with pre-vetted tech talent for remote and freelance work. You can find the link to the platform in the description below for easy access. YouTeam focuses on helping companies find dedicated, high-quality development teams from around the world. Unlike other freelancer platforms, YouTeam specializes in providing businesses with entire remote teams, making it perfect for companies looking for tech professionals in fields like software engineering, product development, and data science. The platform's talent pool is made up of highly skilled freelancers from countries such as Eastern Europe, Latin America, and Asia, which allows companies to tap into a global workforce while benefiting from competitive rates. One of YouTeam's standout features is its strict vetting process. Before joining the platform, developers go through a thorough screening, including technical assessments and interviews, ensuring only top-tier talent is available for hire. This means businesses can quickly find reliable, experienced developers without the lengthy recruitment process. Additionally, YouTeam offers transparency in terms of pricing, and freelancers are available for long-term projects, which ensures stability for both freelancers and clients. The platform's interface is user-friendly, making it easy to browse through available talent and post job listings. YouTeam also provides flexible contract terms, allowing businesses to hire freelancers on a full-time, part-time, or project basis, depending on their needs. Communication tools within the platform allow for seamless collaboration, while the integrated project management features make tracking progress straightforward. If you're a business looking for dedicated developers to build or scale your tech products, YouTeam could be an excellent choice. It's also perfect for freelancers with strong technical skills who are looking for stable, long-term opportunities with reputable companies. Check the link in the description for more information.